Hey, it's Stefan from Empire. Today I'll be showing you in this video what it looks like to have a new S-Touch retrofit kit put on a Max folder from 2004. So here's an overview quickly of how the Schechtl control retrofits go on the Max folders. So this is a 2004 machine where we have now put a new S-Touch control and all new electronics on this machine. So when we get the used machines, either we do this at your shop or here in our place, we take out all the electronics, rewire in this new board, which then allows the machine to be able to run on the new S-Touch control. So you get all of the features and benefits that the new software, new control have just on the older hardware of your older machine. So unlike the Max F folders that are all brand new with that control, you still have the standard lower straight folding tools, just like you would when you have your existing machine. So either you're buying a refurb machine from us here at Empire that we've done in-house, or this can be done on your existing machine as well. So we're able to then do some of the same programs here. You still got manual mode. We've still got graphic mode now, where we can go in and select profiles. Here's my test profile. I've already dimensioned this part, but you've got this, we've got this set up here. You can choose and change your dimensions. If you want to change this to 2-inch, you can. I'll change it back to 1.75. Go to the sequence. Once we've got this part sequenced and you look at this picture here, you can see it has the exact tooling design that is on this older machine. So the 10mm folding tool with the straight folding beam. This isn't the on the F geometry style machine on the new Max F. You would see that F geometry here. So this machine shows you that, and we can look for through the sequence of the profile and see if there's any part collisions with the lower folding tool or on the top when we go to make these parts. So you get all of those benefits of the newest software. You get the Schechtl library in here, and it's very easy to operate, run on the existing old hardware that these machines had. And we can go and run to bend this part. So the machine now has all upgraded electronics, wiring on the inside, and we can run and operate the folder. Obviously not like new. Sometimes used machines obviously need other servicing, other work done, so whether it's bearings, etc. But usually the first thing to go is those controls. So computers, like we know for the office as well, they age out and can't be used forever. So we can now take the hardware that might still be good, and we can upgrade the control, the computer system, to be able to run on your existing machine for a long time. And if you're not entirely ready for a brand new machine, this is a good way to get into using a folder or keep your existing machine going until you are ready to make that upgrade to the F geometry tooling on the Max F. There's our finished part. So if you have questions about the retrofit kit for the Schechtl Max folders, whether it's your own machine or one that you're buying from us, give us a call. This video shows just what that looks like when you get the new S-Touch control upgrade. Yeah, we can certainly help you through doing that on your existing machine or one of the machines we have here in our warehouse or in our inventory. Check out our website for any used machines available, or give us a call.